5 extremely special beaches. Around the world, beaches are like magical places on Earth. They have sunlight, sand, and waves for people who want to relax, have fun, and see beautiful things. Every beach is special, but some are even more amazing because they look different, have stunning views, or offer unique things to do. Some beaches have really cool colors or strange shapes. Let's take a peek at these super special beaches that attract and delight travelers and beach lovers. Number 1. Bowling Ball Beach, California, USA. If you had to guess why Bowling Ball Beach is unique, you'd probably get it right the first time. This beach in California, specifically in Mendocino County, has a bunch of round rocks that resemble bowling balls. These stone balls, which are made of sandstone, are around 2 to 3 feet wide, a bit bigger than actual bowling balls. They're really nice to look at, especially during low tide when you can see them clearly. Number 2. Jökulsárlón Beach, Iceland. Imagine a special place like Iceland where you'd think there would be a lot of ice everywhere. Well, at a beach called Jökulsárlón, there really is ice all over the pebbly shores. This beach is famous because it's next to a lagoon named Jökulsárlón. Every day, big pieces of ice break off from a glacier called Vatnajökull, which is nearby. These ice pieces float in the water and slowly move towards the ocean throughout the day. Some of them end up on the nearby beach. This beach is so unique that it's also known as Diamond Beach. The reason for this name is that you can find ice of all shapes and sizes scattered across its black sands. And when the sunlight shines on this ice just the right way, it shines like diamonds, making the beach look really beautiful. Number 3. Scala dei Turchi Beach, Italy. Italy has many beaches where people can relax, but one special beach is really interesting. It's located under the Scala dei Turchi cliffs in Sicily. These cliffs are white and look like stairs going into the water. They're found on a small part of Sicily's coast. There are 2 sandy beaches next to the stairs where you can swim, sunbathe, and even climb the cliffs to get a closer look. So there you have it, a surprising collection of unique beaches from around the world, just waiting for you to visit. Our planet Earth is truly an amazing and beautiful place, don't you think? Number 4. Green Sand Beach, Papacolia, Hawaii, USA. Green Sand Beach, also known as Papacolia, is a special beach located in Hawaii, USA. What makes it unique is the sand. It's not golden or white like most beaches. Instead, it's a beautiful green color. This green sand is created by a mineral called olivine, which comes from a nearby volcano. The beach is a bit hard to reach. Visitors often have to walk a bit or use a special vehicle to get there. But the amazing sight of the green sand and the sparkling blue ocean make it all worth it. It's a wonderful place for people who want to see something different and enjoy a one-of-a-kind beach experience. Number 5. Az Catedrés Beach, Spain. Az Catedrés Beach is in Spain. It's really pretty with big rocks and arches made by nature. People call it Beach of the Cathedrals because the rocks look like cathedral arches. When the ocean is low, you can walk under the arches and in caves. But when the ocean is high, the beach goes away. So, you have to pick the right time to visit. The water is blue and nice and the rocks are special. People who like nature and visiting new places like to go there. It's like a special adventure at Spain's beautiful coast.